Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and this is a five-port laptop power bank. Now I say laptop, but it really can do a lot more than that. I'm gonna give you a full detailed description of this item. Well, I actually kind of like it, and what all it does. And so this company, UCAS, sent this to me because they said, Ryan, I don't think people have a full appreciation for what all this super cool device does. Can you give a detailed explanation like you know you can do? Who am I to say no, but no way whatsoever will affect this review. Let's get into it. First off, bam, right there on the front, the top of this thing is a cell phone charger. So when you put a cell phone here, this whole section here, it's kind of soft and velvety, but when you place the old cell phone that accepts wireless charging, on top, it will charge. Pretty cool right out the gate. Very cool stat. One cool thing, when it is in charging state, there is a digital display right here, and it will tell you which of the 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 being wireless is in use. And at the top here, it's kind of hard to see, but there is a wireless charging thing indicating. And if I squeeze this, you can see this thing was dead. It's pulsating, which means it's charging through, and the phone has a case on it. And so however that wireless stuff works, it's actually able to go through a case and to charge the phone. Cool check, number one. All right, what else does it do? Well, on the back here, it's got 4 ports. One is these are USB-C, 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 and then USB. This does come with a USB-C to USB-C cord. This is provided. This is going to serve a couple different purposes. One, this allows you to charge the device. And so you would just plug it into the port and then plug this into a power brick or something that you can get this thing charged. On here you have, of the 3 USB-Cs, one is a 100 watt. Max, in or out. Another one is 100 watt, in or out. And then the third one is 30 watts max, that is just out. You also have the USB, little orange reddish one right here, which is a 30 watt max out. Well, does this mean you have to like pick and choose which one you want? Absolutely not. You can literally have this charging here. Then you can have all 4 of these and have 5 things charging at the exact same time. So if, for example, you wanted to, let's just say charge, this is a like a battery backup bank. So if I wanted to take this charging bank and charge this power bank at the exact same time, you can see the lights on here, and then you can see here that this is still charging. That's just with 2. If you want to hook up a laptop, you can do that as well. Let me show you how it looks. So if you can make this out, this is showing that it is charging the laptop. It is also charging wirelessly here. This is now up to 5%. This was completely dead. It's also charging this, and I've just run out of things to plug it into. But you can plug in another 2 things in the 2 additional USB-C ports. During the time of this little bit of recording right here, this has already jumped 5% on the cell phone. A lot of chargers, when they charge wirelessly, they can't charge very quick. And so this thing is putting out some serious juice. It might be kind of hard to make out, but what it will do is it shows you the outage. So this is like USB-C number 2 and A, and then the wireless. And so here we're showing 20 watts for the one device. We have 5 watts going to another device, which is this one. And then we already know what it's doing for this. And so it tells you per device how many watts it's getting. And then also tells you how much as far as a percentage. This has got 62%. I got this straight out of the package, so I haven't even plugged it in and given it a full charge yet, which I probably should have done. It gives you the percentage life left in the actual power bank as far as, how much juice you're not only using, but how much you have left. And then you can just, with the press of a button, you can actually power it off. There's a button here to power it off. Now, if you're wanting to take this traveling or doing whatever, it does come with a nice travel case. It's like sort of a velvety, soft material that can cinch close, and you are good to go. In summary, if you're looking for a power bank that does not only wireless, but 1, 2, 3 types of USB-C charging and a USB charging that has a breakdown of what each device is getting, plus the overall power left in your power bank here. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.